Hey guys, this is Alexis, Sophia Leather. Thanks for watching. All right, so Firefighter leather kits are now available on my shop. These kits include all the leather that's needed and all the hardware that's needed. We'll get into that here in a second. But this goes very, very well with my Firefighter Suspender build along and template video. So I offer a build along video as well as a template that goes with it. Now, like I say all the time, the template is not it's not to scale. Obviously, I say this every time, but you can't print out a 60-inch long strap. So for the most part, they're basically schematics, but it's easy to follow along. I'll put a link in the description to watch that video. You can download the blueprint from my website, link in the description for that. But let me show you what this kit includes. So the Firefighter Suspender Kit, I'm only offering natural vegetan. This is Herman oak. This is all about 9 to 10 ounce with the exception of this 1/2 inch piece here. And this 1/2 inch piece is closer to like 7 or 8 ounces. So what you get is a 1/2 inch piece, about 12 inches. You get a 5/8 piece, and that is about 54 inches. You get a 1 inch piece, that is about 38 inches. You get two 60-inch pieces at 1.5 inches wide, two 60-inch peaches. Wow, 60-inch peaches. So these 1.5 inch pieces, this is the main body of the suspenders. And then you get two 2-inch 60-inch pieces. This is for the backing when you sew and stitch it, which will mean these are about 4 to 5 ounce pieces. This is how I build my stuff. So this is everything you need, as well as the hardware. Let me go over the hardware. But before I do, I want to explain that I'm only offering natural vegetan leather. I'm not offering any other colors. This gives you the freedom to dye this as you like. Black, brown, any kind of dye that you want to color it, you can do that. I have a video. You could check out my leather playlist, tips and playlist video, leather tips and tricks playlist on how to actually dye the leather. I use Phoebing's Pro Oil Dye. I think it's the best. So let me show you the hardware that's included. You get a 3-inch O-ring. All of this hardware is in brass only, but you can antique this brass if you'd like. I'll put a link in the description. So a 3-inch O-ring. You get two center bar buckles. You get 4 1.5 inch D-rings, 4 1.5 inch D-rings, and then you get 2 button head screws, Sam Brown studs is what they call them. Okay, and that's for your keepers. All right, so thanks for watching. This is now available on my website, links in the description, and these are going to be on sale for a little bit, probably for the next month or so. So I really appreciate your business. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed day. Thank you. I'm sweating. A fan is coming back on. Goodbye.